All the roads lead to Oktabraskaya. The Dark One is there. Anna is there now too. In the hands of my enemies. The hands of the traitor. Lesnitsky.
So, who is this girl again?
A hostage. We'll use her for negotiating with the Order. Just make sure she wears a gas mask. If she's infected, she's dead, and of no use to us.
So what do we do with her?
Lock her up and keep an eye on her. Anything happens, it's your head. I'll come get her when you're done here.
What are you doing? Please! You don't have to kill us!
And we're under order from the leadership of the Red Line to stop the epidemic. And you're all infected.
You heard the man. We must kill you to save the metro.
But we're not even feverish. We're...
Fire! Can't you hear anything? Even at the point-blank range. Unbelievable.
What does it matter? He's gonna die soon anyway.
We're here to make sure he does. Finish him!
Hey, you! I'm done for. So listen. The Reds, they knew of the infection. They came on the second day. No one had died yet, but they came with the flamers. How else could they have known? Go, tell everyone. Tell it was the Reds.
Soldier. We're short of people for the unloading operation, so go and get those two on the double. They have to be at the storage in 2 minutes. Go!
Yes, sir.
Asshole.
Huh? What is that?
Well, so what do they have of use?
Shit! Talk about bad luck. Oh, sure hurts like hell.
So what he's got in his pockets? No bullets? Ah, shit.
Hey, looks like there's...
Incendiary!
Damn drafts. Catching a cold definitely seems a possibility now. This is just intolerable. 2 more hours spending like this.
Enemies here!
Alarm! Alarm! They're here! Freaking shit!
Seems to be nothing wrong with you. Congratulations, youngsters. You, Artyom, may go. While you, Anna, you have to stay some more. We need to finish treating your wound.
Thank God.
Come here, darling. Don't look there.
What's that,
Who's
Papa?
that? Can you see the face? As if... looks like 8 bucks. Yes, it's 8. Semetsky, Yuri.
Hey! Anybody? So? What do I do now? Somebody! What do I do? Hey!
So, I don't have to remind you about the gloves and the mask.
Yes, I know that.
Perfect. Now, you take the temperature every hour. Blood sample.
So, you're able to isolate the agent?
Yes and no. It is an Ebola virus strain. Trying to cultivate it is useless. It's basically non-virulent without the original strain.
Doctor, you know I'm not medical. Please, explain.
I'm sorry. Here are the facts. In the first 2 days, the mortality rate was around 95%. In the third, it dropped to about 25%. Today, we only have 2 new infected, and they have a light infection, prospects of recovery looking promising. Now, as you understand, Moscow never was a natural habitat for this virus, and in its wild form, it remains dangerous much longer.
So, what does all this mean?
It is not a regular virus. It's a weapons-grade strain engineered to achieve maximum lethality within a short time, and then turn harmless.
Damnation. Where did it come from?
I have heard of a new generation of bioweapons based on this virus being developed before the war. Where did it surface from now?
Usage of water for sanitary needs in any other time is prohibited and will incur a severe penalty. Step away from the hostage.
You! Yes, you! You can come through!
Мы не заразны! Нас проверили уже!
Отпустите! Я не могу здесь больше!
Step away or we'll shoot! Hold on, повернись! Stop around the fire! That asshole. We told him to stop. Every day. It never stops. Move! Move! You can't stay here.
Artyom, I'm here!
I'm happy to know that you and Anna are all right. We can't afford to waste time being sick now. The Dark One we're looking for could really be the last one. We can't lose him. Let's go.
But I have to go. But I have to go back for her insulin. She'll die without it. You'll buy some here. I can't let you go. How can we buy anything when all we had is back there?
Am I glad to see you alive
charges
and
so
healthy,
much.
Artyom.
Please.
We'd go with
Hansa
you, but
gave you
we'll have to
shelter.
wait till the
Stand
Hansa
back.
reinforcements arrive. And
Shelter
you're on
to
a
die.
tight
Stand
schedule.
back.
Well, I wish you luck. See you back at the base.
The
Ready to go on
refugees
it,
sure
soldier?
were lucky, because Tomelin's rangers were here. Corbett's men clearly didn't expect to be met with machine gun
All
fire.
the stuff still there?
Well, Hansa could not protect the station without help, but they did provide shelter for the refugees and the hospital. Perhaps that could help them.
Sorry, that's forbidden without a permit.
That's our man.
Let this one through. We got a permit.
Why keep us here? They could have found something for us to do. I should have stayed.
I think you should stock up on filters and ammo, Artyom. We probably won't have such a chance anytime soon after this.
Well, we sure got lucky.
Hey, Ranger! How about some ammo?
Why did they fight anyway?
What do they care for us or the
Good luck.
refugees?
Come here, Ranger. Let's haggle. Hey, some throwing knives. Cheap. Grenades at a great price. I got some incendiaries. Best cure for competition. I have some mines too at a special price. Come, take a look, Ranger. I have everything. Good luck with business, Ranger.
Artyom, take note of the funds Hansa expends on this quarantine. And they are generally quite reserved with their money.
Opening the airlock.
Perhaps they are aiming for an additional trump card to use in negotiations at Polis.
Good luck in the tunnels, Ranger.
In some other time and place, what happened could be life-changing. But there is no time but present, and no place but the metro for us. And we must do everything we can to save it. I have to hurry and catch up with the Dark One. Anna has to tell her father of what Korbut and Moskvin are doing. Anything else is a luxury we can't afford right now.
We've got outgoing! Open up!
Soon, the leaders of Hansa, Red Line, and Reich will meet in Polis, hoping to reach a peaceful settlement on D6. But I know the nature of man all too well, Artyom. War is as certain as the fall of night, unless a miracle happens. Well, we won't catch the train with the Dark One moving along the tunnel. But there is another way.
All right. Are you going to Polis?
No. Open the interline tunnel for me.
But the interline is a dead end, and very dangerous.
A dead end? No way. That's our road to Polis. Open up. Let's go, Artyom.
Careful with the generators!
As you see, it's no dead end. That's just what the Hansa authorities claim to discourage people from entering these passages. An unprepared man could easily lose his way here, or even become lost within himself. But as long as you're with me, there is no danger. Most people believe metro to be just tunnels and stations, a lifeless and soulless conglomerate created by human hands alone. There's a special place in the metro. The few people who come upon it never return. I call it the River of Fate, because it can change your destiny, wash away the silt of the past, and offer the chance for a different future. If a man enters this river in dire need of such a chance, wishing desperately to earn it, then he might be carried to the place and time where that chance is granted. Remember, we must find the Dark One. It is the only thing we are to ask of the river. The metro is a living, breathing thing, with a heartbeat, a soul, and a mind. We got to be careful here. It's an abandoned place.
Just some monsters, nothing else. Let's go. All right. There's something behind these cobwebs. Intriguing. Is that a sign? The grate is rusted and attached. Give me a hand here, Ati.
One, two,
Continue burning it, Artyom.
Look, water. We're almost there.
Pretty close. Darkness envelops us. We must not get lost in it. Do not rush, and don't be surprised by anything. You can pick it up. I think it's for you. We can't stay here for long. We have to enter the water. We have to enter the water. Enter the water and imagine what you would change in your fate. Think of the Dark One.
further! Go further! Don't be afraid. You're meant to be here, Artyom. Think of the Dark One, and the river will bring you to him!
Familiar scenery? It's the tower. And down there is the city of the Dark Ones. It's the moment you launch the missiles. Look, that's you. The river will cleanse you, forgive your sins. You can change your fate. You can do it. Choose your destiny and be free. This was their home. All that's left is ashes and dust. Look, there he is. The Dark One. After him. Faster! We can't afford to lose him! Nobody. A dead end. Is this where you almost got him? You must try again, Artyom. The Dark One. He's still at that freak show on the train. Look! After him! Run! Ahead! Ahead! We've almost caught up! After him! Damn! The river almost got me this time. Oh, it's working again. We're back in the desert of the real. When we got out of the river, the Dark One was very close. We can't have gotten too far ahead.
Your position might be attacked. The evac train is considered their primary target. High alert!
Too late.
Post 13, come in. High alert, I repeat, high alert. Red saboteur sighting confirmed. Your position might be attacked. The evac train is considered their primary target. High alert.
But the train's got to be nearby. Come on, hop in. We need that miracle now, Artyom. Remember everything I told you about the Dark One. You must save him. And then he just might save us all.
I never believed him, and that is no surprise. But Khan's words were true. This strange river took me to the past. The moment where I sent out the signal and destroyed all the Dark Ones. And then it dropped me off at the place where I can find the last survivor of that race. A helpless and harmless child. Khan called him the Last Angel.
The train's somewhere around here. I have this feeling. You hear that? That's the train! We were right! Hurry! We've got to catch it! The wrench! Hold on, Artyom! Two more! Fire!
Mom? Mama? Mama?
Artyom, darling, you're so big now.
Mom, I'm scared.
Don't be afraid. There is nothing to be afraid of now.
Don't leave, Mom. I'm all alone now.
You're not alone. You're the first.
We remembered you and were waiting. We could remember all the thoughts of our race. And you killed everyone. And now I'm alone.